I'm an all-star welder.
I'm an all-star machinist.
I'm an all-star automation engineer.
I'm an all-star environmental engineer.
Your career can start like mine with a 2-year associate's degree in electromech.
Manufacturing has awesome pathways for career advancement. In a short amount of time, I was able to go from maintenance to robotics and automation.
I found a career where I am part of a team working in a dynamic environment with constant change.
My all-star career gives me great income, flexibility, and plenty of opportunity for career advancement.
What I love best about my high-tech career is the variety. One week I can be programming a robot, and the next building an entirely new system.
You could make it in Northeast Wisconsin, where 1 out of 4 people are employed in manufacturing. To learn more, go to northeastwisconsinmanufacturingalliance.org.